So we're finally at the moment that I've been waiting for some time. Let's make some awesome smash burgers. Whenever my son makes smash burgers, we always use onions. They are just over the top awesome. So the baking oven steel or pizza steel that we were using in today's video is from a Canadian company, DAREBUILT, and you can check them out on Amazon Canada and also over on their website, darebuilt.ca. And the smash burger press that I'm using is also from DAREBUILT. So two good products that I'm using in this recipe today. So I thought I would take a couple of photos just to show you what the burgers look like. The baking oven steel was giving off an amazing amount of heat, which really resulted in some great burgers. Those are my French fries. If you want to check out a recipe to make those, and they are amazingly delicious, you can check those out on my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. I'll put a link down underneath this video in the description box. And our last photo, a close-up of the smash burger. And what can I tell you? Just amazing, over-the-top delicious. So information about the smash burger press and also the baking oven steel, I'll put a link down below in the description box. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.